Hello, and welcome to today's episode of Deep End Dev. My name is Matt. I don't know what I'm doing, neither do you. So let's do it together. Yesterday we put together the initial options menu stuff. We should probably continue on that. So, I put in some linear switches in my keyboard. I'm not entirely a fan of them at the moment. I'll probably swap those out later today. So if I make typos and issues, that's why. I'm not sure. Let's see. So we might want to have a way to save. Our settings. So, does this have, like, does it return? Is there a way to check if we do have... Oh, I've got a cat banging on the window. Nope, you're gonna have to wait for a bit. There's a way to check. It's UE4 load settings. So maybe we do that. So like this would set the default screen that we want, but then load settings would get saved stuff, right? So if we've modified, in my mind, it'll overwrite any of the defaults with stuff we've modified, and then we apply, right? That's what my thinking says. Okay, so let's give that a shot. Actually, we might want to. Might have worked. All right, let's go to windowed at 12.720. Cool. Now let's quit. And if it's saved and loads that, let's see what it does here. It worked. So it remembers our previous one and it applies that. That's great. Cool. I like that. What I think, however... Okay, yeah, no, it... What did I hit with... What is Control D? Validation, okay. Alright. So, let's, whoops. Oh, you know what? That's what's going on. When I put my keycaps back on, I have 2 letters switched. My muscle memory knows what I'm doing, but my eyes were not trusting my muscle memory for a second there. Much better. Okay. So other settings that we may want to offer. And actually, before we do that, the in-game menu, we have these things here, right? This should be, honestly, exit left. I kind of want to offer a, well, yeah, we need to be able to offer the options menu in-game, right? So we need to have another button. This will be the option button. Weird. Colon was coming from. Maybe option is a macro in names. I honestly don't know. And we can do that. And this guy is going to, let's see, what should an options button be? A gear. There we go. And we're gonna go with okay, and if we hit that, do we want to... This is where I'm wondering if having this stuff all be in the main menu is problematic. We only have, let's do a widget switcher. This is going to be our in-game menu. In-game menu. And then we want to have, what is this? This is the in-game menu switcher. And if we hit this button, we will go to... Okay, I'm gonna save everything before I try this, because sometimes this doesn't work. I'm gonna copy game options and paste. Cool, it didn't crash. We are good. Okay. We're not gonna have a player settings button in here this time. This way we could offer different things maybe in game versus out of game. So what we need to now do so we did borders here, options switcher, here we just did an index. I'm okay with just sticking with index. So let's go and open up our in-game menu. We're gonna have now also another function called void open options menu, or actually options pressed. Let's call it that. And we have another button now. New button. The options menu button, right? Yep, options menu button, okay. And we have an in-game menu switcher. So I'm gonna label. Options menu buttons. That's not right. In-game menu buttons. In-game menu widgets. So we have a menu switcher called the in-game menu switcher. Is that what it's called? What is this thing? Widget switcher. A widget switcher. Cool. This is the BattleGrids in-game menu. What else did we add? We've got these things. Cancel and confirm. Okay. We want to have, so these are the in-game menu button callbacks. And we need options menu callbacks, such as we need confirm options, and we will need a function of void cancel options menu. Okay. We need if ensure options menu button return false, options menu button on clicked, add dynamic this UBG in-game menu options pressed. These are for the in-game menu buttons, and then we need the options menu buttons. These hypolinear keys are not terrible. They actually are really pleasant on the ears, I gotta say. But the feeling of them is, there's no response to my fingers. So, it's like pushing through, butter almost. They're just so smooth. I thought I had over-lubed these keys at first, but upon wiping off some of the lube and removing it, it still felt about the same. So they're so smooth. They're too smooth for my fingers. They sound great. All right, when the option keys is pressed, if in-game menu switcher, we want to in-game menu switcher set active widget index to 1. Resume pressed. I can't remember if tear down, I don't know, but when we initialize this, actually, we'll do this after all these. If ensure in-game menu switcher return false, otherwise in-game menu switcher set active widget index to 0 each time this is opened, so that we are always on that. Always open to the main in-game menu, not the options menu. Confirm options and cancel options menu. Cancel options menu just does this and goes back to 0. Confirm options yes. Okay, we gotta do that stuff again. So that, we need to have our game settings pointer initialized. Game settings variable. doing a lot of duplicate stuff. You know what? Maybe it does make sense to have a separate options widget before we start going down this route any further. It's a menu widget. Actually, that's not right. So we're gonna make a new C++ class off of our menu widget. This is the BG options menu in public and UI. Let's save all this and close. Where is it? It didn't appear. That's weird. Close and reopen it. That is strange. I have no options menu. Well, my face is in the way, but it would be around, it'd be in here. I don't know where it went. This is in the engine. I don't know what that is. Well, let's see if the editor thinks that it made my CPP file. I don't know where my class went. Slept on my neck wrong the other night. What is... Oh, right. Hold on. Just get rid of that for the moment, and get rid of that for the moment. Yeah, there it is. So this is the BattleGrids options menu for game settings. And this is where I think we'll have this guy. Forward declare that. Alright, and we need our other stuff like we normally do, such as our constructor and initialize stuff. That in here, otherwise return true. And in the constructor, we don't need to worry about that. Okay. And that's that for now. Go ahead and close and recompile this. And start moving our options menu over to its own class. Parent you to the options menu. And we basically want to just move things over there and functionality. So this player settings will, I think, move I'm not sure, actually. Let's just grab this for now. Canvas panel, is that what we want? I don't think so. We just want this in here. Player settings might be okay, so we can change our name and stuff. That's all right. You know, maybe we want to have the player settings over also. Or no. We're not going to have that in here. That is going to be moved, I think. wrap that with a vertical box, and we'll move that up into the vertical box so that that's like at the top to the right. Or actually, hold on. Wrap with an overlay. No. Wrap that with an overlay. That into the overlay. How, maybe I don't understand overlays. I thought an overlay would allow me to just move this around in the overlay. We'll come back to that. Actually, I don't know. Okay. The main menu, things like, let's see, or confirm options. We need, these are in the private. text box. What else? Let's see, this goes into variables. We need those. Okay. I'm gonna do that. And this game options, we're actually gonna put in the WBG, or our options menu in here. There. Okay, so we need to do some stuff. First of all, how about a set up game settings or something like that. I don't know if it needs to be a U function. Okay, so like in this main menu we have all this stuff. Includes. Need to change those there. This doesn't need to have the return false. We need to just do if G engine, then game settings is equal to G engine get game user settings. Settings return, and then we need to run setup game settings. And this becomes that. Same thing here. That's it. All right, so now we need to kind of clean up some of this stuff. So we're gonna still have the options switcher. We don't need those anymore. Or those. Hey, Denny X. Doing all right. Get rid of these. And that. So now we have the options menu, but we also need to have in here a UBG options menu widget called the options menu widget, right? It's not included yet. And the options menu doesn't open the... Yeah, okay, so... That, and that. We don't need any of that anymore. Need those anymore. Okay, that cleaned that out. So, when we switch to the options menu, set it to active widget to 0. Go ahead and close and compile. Trying to put the in-game menu or the options menu as its own class so that we can open it from the main menu as well as the in-game menu, but not have to write all the code twice. Let's forget about the player options setting stuff for the moment. I might, all audio only today. Lost connection. Oh, that's unfortunate. On exam day, too. That's not fun. Okay, player settings, what I might end up doing is split this into game options and player options. I might rework the main menu, so rather than having this switch between player and game settings all on the same options menu, I might fix that, because that's kind of messy. So we're not going to worry about that at the moment. We just want to get the options menu functioning again as its own class and entity. So, let's see how things mess up real quick. if at all. Let's just see what happens if I do this. Hit options, we're here. I do windowed and 1080. Ah, we haven't bound those things. All right, so let's stop. It worked though. We didn't crash. Okay. So under initialize here, we want to set these things up, and then we need to also do if ensure confirm options menu button return false, otherwise confirm options menu button on click.add dynamic this UBG options menu confirm options, and then if ensure cancel options menu button. We don't even need, yeah, we shouldn't have the cancel on here. The cancel is going to be elsewhere, so we're not going to worry about the cancel menu button. Okay, let's save and close, pull that back up. I put the hippo linears in the keyboard, DennyX. They are very, very smooth and soft. I think I prefer tactiles. I'm going to swap them back out, but it's interesting to experience. Okay. Our new game settings is working. Player settings goes over to here, so that's cool. Come back to the game settings. Okay, so let's keep modifying, shall we? Our main menu. We have this overlay and this placeholder background image. It's just a texture of the wood floor, right? So we have this menu switcher here in our main menu. Okay, 1 second. Let's go look at our options menu first of all. Player name entry box. Why is that in here? We don't want a player name entry box. Save, close. Let's try that again. Our options menu, or our main menu, however, we do want to have our cancel options menu button back. Get rid of that. Get rid of those. These, that. That. Okay. I forgot if we hit the cancel options menu button, return false. What we want to do is cancel option menus button on clicked, add dynamic this UBG main menu, I think open main menu, right? Yeah. And that can go away. User settings we're not using in here anymore. It can go away. All right, let's open back up. This cancel options menu button is gone. And here we have this guy and this image and the size box. We're gonna go to a 75 by 75. And in our main menu, whoops. What did I mess up? Did I delete that? What the hell happened? is this having such an issue? Why is that not getting over there? Okay, we don't need the cancel player settings button anymore either. We're just going to have the one. Hello, Canerverst. How you doing? Okay, so I want this text to change based on if we've got the player info options open or the game settings option, so that it allows us to swap back and forth, right? So yeah, I got more keyboard stuff, so I know how you feel. So I want, let's see, how do we do this? This text right here is going to bind this, we'll say, get, no, I mean custom mechanical keyboard stuff. But I do play keyboard. I am a guitarist, keyboardist, cellist, multi-instrumentalist, singer guy. Right now I have the Hippo linear switches in the keyboard. I'm not sure I like the linears. I'm starting to, you know, get used to them, but I think I prefer tactile switches rather than linear. Get settings, button text, and we're going to get the options switcher, and we're going to get active widget index, and we're going to select based on that. If we are on that one, then it's going to say player settings, otherwise it's going to say game settings. There we go. We just need to change the button and add some functionality. Alright, so get rid of that. That. We have that back, right? The cancel options menu. Yep. Okay, so cancel options menu button. This is now the, we're going to rename that to switch settings menu button. And call this to switch settings menu, and if we go to that, oh come on, let's see, options switcher get active widget index, if is equal to 0, set it to 1, else if is equal to 1, options switcher set active widget index to 0. close. Let's test that. Shifted again. Let me fix that. That's better. It's doing this again. This is really annoying. So that's working now. Cool, and that goes back to the main menu. Nice. Excellent, all right. Quit. The in-game menu now. All right, we need to work on the in-game menu. We are not going to have these, let's see. Confirm options. That's part of the options menu. We don't need those. We do, however, need a UBG options menu, the options menu widget. Come on. What is going on? I have all of these buttons. You're being ridiculous. Fine. Don't try and do any of those things. Unreal's widget system is finicky, and like making interfaces is my least favorite part of all of this. There we go. Yeah, I'm very aware that the buttons are missing. Options menu button of type button was not found. It looks like an options menu button to me. Alright. Game options. Goodbye. And instead, we have our options menu. What? Why did that fail? Why are we able to... Weird. Why am I able to add this to the main menu, but I can't add it to a different menu? Well, I guess maybe we'll just have, we'll do it a little differently. How about, we'll make it totally separate. Why did it do that? Okay, and this. Nice. My Boba U4T tactile switches are apparently being delivered today, so I'm going to start lubing those, and I'm excited to put those in my keyboard. Okay, so that'll do that. We just now need to modify that the options menu is an options menu on the screen rather than in widgets, right? So just a little bit more complicated of an options menu, but I think it'll allow us to make it look a little cleaner. So, like, for example, so at the moment, if you want to hear it actually, right now I have, what do you call it, hippos that are linear, and here, I'll move the mic and you can listen to what hippos sound like. So there you go. Those are the linear hippos that are lubed and filmed. They do not have a tactile bump. They sound really nice, but I kind of like the tactile bump, and I'm missing that on these. So I might sell these to my brother who after seeing my keyboard, he liked the hippos. I think the linears are better for gaming, but I'm not entirely sure I like them for typing and coding. They feel too smooth. My fingers don't feel connected to the board. Okay, so for our options menu, I want to wrap this with a background blur to 4. We're going to go desired on screen. And then, like the rest of these, so we need a canvas. So wrap with a canvas panel. Game options is going to stretch now, I think. Oh yeah, and then size to content, or do we center? Oh, wait, fill screen, there we go. That looks better. Okay, so now things are broken, but they're going to be broken till we fix it. The game options I'm going to wrap with a border that I'm going to make black with a 0.5 color, and padding of content, what do we do? 45, I think. Okay. We do want to have another button in here, and this will be the close options menu button. What? I am aware. I was making another. All right. I'm gonna just do that for now. I'm gonna take a lunch break soon, actually. Oh, I renamed the wrong one. I see. I gotcha. Okay, so this is the cancel options menu button. So it got all mad because I renamed the original. That's there. There we go. They will be orange. And actually, I want you to be the close options menu button. The image will be exit left. There we go. Okay. So that's centered. That looks slightly, something looks off here. Yeah, that's not centered. There we go. Okay, so there's our options, our game settings menu. And you know what? We also, so these are our game options. We're going to also include the player options. So this border, we're going to wrap this with our widget switcher, and this is our options menu switcher. And this will be our player options. And we'll go to our main menu. And in our player info options, all this stuff, copy and put it over in here. I'm going to get rid, let's see, this is going to, yeah, that's the confirm player settings button. This actually, so we're gonna get rid of that. And in the game options, this horizontal box is actually going to be wrap this guy in a vertical box, and this horizontal bar will be at the bottom of that vertical box so that it's there for both. And this button is no longer the confirm options menu button. It's going to now be called, actually it will, and it will vary based on which one is open. So if we're in game options is open, then we'll apply game settings. If we're in player options, then we will apply player settings. And then we're gonna do one more button in the middle, and this is going to be the options switch button, or switch options menu button. And the image. We're not going to have an image. Text in it. And then this bind, this will be get settings button text. The options menu switcher, get active widget index, and we'll have a select here. This will say player settings or game settings. Okay. Over here in our options menu, we need some more things. We need to have our U button for close options menu button. We're going to also need our U button for switch options menu button, right? Yep. And these things that we have for our main menu, we're going to need confirm player settings, switch settings. Oh, actually, we need all of that stuff. Switcher. What's it called? Options menu switcher. Options menu switcher. I'm going to make these widgets so that we can actually have reference to them. So user widget, I think, and this will be the options menu for game options. And then user widget player options. In our main menu we have, oh, no, it's just a U widget. There. Okay, switch settings menu, when that's clicked, about it at the moment. Confirm player settings and set player settings enabled. All right, so we need some things here. Go ahead and just stop the editor and compile. And then I'm gonna take a break and eat, and then come back, and we'll do some more work on our options menu and hopefully get it implemented. Okay, compile, fine. We're good. So, I'll be back in a little bit, and we'll keep implementing. So, stick around, see you soon. Hello, I am back. Let's keep going with this options menu. First of all, we need to do some interface stuff. I think we'll put it here. Open options menu. And close options menu. Okay. That, so for like this stuff, it's pretty much kind of like, yeah, it's basically this, right? Let's see, how do we normally set this stuff up? We created a load options menu widget on create, but we didn't add it to load menu widget. What is it? Is setup? Add to, okay, no, we do. All right, so just do that. And really that load options menu widget, we don't need that to be its own separate function. Just do that. Yeah, because the main menu is what's going to be opening it. So yeah, it wants to go, we want to do it through the interface down here. Okay, so our main menu, when we open the options menu, we're not doing this anymore. We are doing, actually, and nor are we doing that. If menu interface. Open options menu. Options menu or close options. Maybe we don't tear down. Close the options menu. If do we not? Is it menu? Yeah, if menu is viewport. That. Game menu is in viewport. So that, I think, depending on where we're coming out of for the closing the options menu, will make that other thing visible again, I think, is what my thought is on that. Okay, so we aren't gonna have that anymore, or this stuff. We have the options menu button. We don't need that anymore. Alright, so when we press the options button, if menu interface, open the options menu, and then set slate visibility. Slate visibility. Okay. Ah, right. And that. Those anymore, but I would like to have those buttons back. There we go. Instance, first we need to set our options menu to our WBP options menu. And now we need to make sure, all right, so that's good. Our main menu is going to have issues probably. Stop. We gotta fix the end game and get rid of some superfluous, unnecessary stuff. Such as, let's see, replace with child. Oh, options menu button. There we go. Okay. Cool, it worked. We don't have that set yet, or that. Okay. So I've successfully loaded up our options menu so far. So I want to bring those back because we need them. All right, options menu. Close options menu button, so if ensure close options menu button, return false, otherwise we want to on clicked add dynamic this UPG options menu, close the options menu, and I'll run that. Okay. right, that worked. And that worked too. We just need to fix the mouse disappearing thing, otherwise... Sweet. Okay. Our options menu is working. This is awesome. Okay, so when we go to here for closing the options menu and we do the tear down, game mode only, we want to actually want to do that. Game mode and UI. Let's try that. What we could actually do is make the input mode as a variable, maybe. Okay, looks like it's working. Let's try the in-game menu. Bad, nice, nice. Look at that. Oh, this is exciting. Look at that. Our menus work. This is great. Okay, let's fix the. Let's get the player settings thing going. So, player options, so yeah, we need to switch options menu button. Actually, I want to do a switch on menu, options menu, switcher, get active widget. Is that going to work? No, I don't think so. So if switcher get active widget, we'll do index. Do the actual widget because it's easier to read. So, what were we doing here? basically that. So we're going to do the same thing. We need to have the player name entry, editable text box. As well. Oh wait, no, that's not what we were doing. Right. Our confirm options menu button is going to do both. So if get, let's see, menu switcher, options menu switcher, get active window is equal to player options. So we're only doing this if we're on the that, else there. So and text is empty. Otherwise it's enabled. Okay, so the confirm button, confirm player settings, that confirms player settings, right? And we've got confirm this, and I'm gonna rename that actually to confirm game settings. Right? We're gonna do just a if options menu switcher get active widget equals game options, run confirm game settings, else confirm player settings, and this becomes confirm options. Okay. Everything looks like it's happy. Nice. Seems like it worked. Actually, you know what? Let's make sure it worked by saying I'm Cisco on the Deep Space Nine server. It did, it worked. We start. That worked. Menu. So that still works. Let's go up to 1440p, my resolution, player settings. change my name. And look at that. It worked. It worked and it updated all of our UI. So, there you go. Feeling pretty good. Our menus are all working. Why don't we, let's make sure that things are cleaned up, shall we? So in the main menu, our options menu we're not using. Let's get rid of some functions. Go back over here, options menu. Oh, yep. Let's clean up our code also. We no longer need any of that. Don't need that. We don't need the switch settings menu. We don't need confirm player settings or set anything there. Here we can get rid of all of those functions. Options menu widget's gone. Options menu will be gone. We don't need those. We don't need those. Get rid of that forward declaration. Okay. All right, cleaned up. Put that wood back. It was nice. Okay. Our in-game's all cleaned up, nothing extra in here. How's our options menu looking? Looks good. All right, commit. Moved options menu to its own class can now be opened from in-game menu, and settings can be modified while in game, obviously. Okay, there we go. I think that's where I'm going to leave off today's episode. So thank you for joining. I think tomorrow we will add in some more options, such as maybe anti-aliasing and other things. Also, I don't know if there's a way to modify like the post-processing volumes and things. I don't know. We'll look at some more graphical features that we might be able to include in our options menu tomorrow. So thanks for joining for this episode, and until then, my name is Matt. I don't know what I'm doing, neither do you, so let's do it together. Have a great afternoon.